What's up, guys? I have gone online to look for videos on how to install baby seats on classic cars. Can't find nothing. I found one, but it didn't make any sense to me. I wanted to make them like with the cool, you know, the actual up-to-date coated brackets, or they're called, I believe, baby seat anchors. Now I have a 1964 Chevy Impala right here. So what I did was I removed the back seat. So you got to remove the back seat. Expose the bolts to your car. You see those bolts right there, the seat belts hanging. Now what I did was I went to my local junkyard and I found the anchor bolts that I thought would fit best, and the ones that I think are going to work for these classic cars are going to be from a Toyota Corolla. I believe it was a 2005, or pretty much any Corolla in the 2000s, with seatbelt brackets for the babies, the anchor bracket. And this is what they look like. Alright, you take them out of your junkyard, they're gonna look like this, right here. Alright, so what you gotta do is you gotta kind of re-engineer these suckers. So you just gotta cut this bracket right here off, this rod off, and cut them off and put them on the grinding wheel. Make sure you don't affect or damage any of your existing seat belts. Okay. And probably, maybe you make a little bigger hole. I don't know yet. When I get there, I'll find out. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to engineer them a little better. But there you go. So go to your local junkyard, look for a Toyota Corolla, and take these out the back seat, left side and the right side, and just re-engineer them, clean them up, and throw them on the back seat, like so. All right, and once I get these anchor bolts, anchor brackets cleaned up and grinded up a little bit, and I'll probably give them a little fresh coat of paint so they don't rust. I'll come back so you guys see what it looks like, and I'll show you how to. You just gotta get underneath your car, loosen up the bolts, and install these new brackets. And these are actually perfect. This is gonna work perfect. Toyota Corolla. All right, boys. Toyota Corolla bracket. This is how perfect it's gonna be. It's actually gonna align perfect, just like that. So it's gonna look like this. It's gonna be perfectly aligned, so you can put your baby seat back here and latch it down. All right. I don't know if I'm gonna do it like this yet or like this yet, but I'll find out. I'm not sure yet. I gotta just mess with this. Maybe bend this up. I'm not sure yet. But there you go. I'll be back when I got these installed. All right, guys, I'm back. Now I took off the bolt to the seat belt latch. All right, this is the seat belt latch that comes in your classic car. The bolt that bolts underneath behind the seat. Now what you want to do is get your bolt, and I highly recommend you guys get I believe they're called step bits. All right, get yourself a little step bit. All right, now get yourself a step bit. All right, you're gonna try to match this size. Looks like it's a pretty decent size. You're gonna want to step bit this all the way in there. If you do that with a drill bit, it's a pain in the ass. It's not easy. So I recommend you guys get yourself a step bit. All right, and start just grinding that down, cutting it up a little bit until this bolt slips right in there nicely. The one that goes with your vehicle for your seatbelt. And you can go to Harbor Freight and get one of these for like really cheap. All right, guys, I'll be back. Alright guys, when you're done, it should look something like this. Good to go. Alright, so you got these those brackets in there. That's where your child safety clamp seat is gonna go. There you go. Obviously this is the back seat. So you only really need is one on the left and two in the middle. You don't need 4 because the 4th one won't fit and the clamps are small enough where you can actually put 2 together. Sure. Alright guys, just wrapped up. This is what it should look like. Yeah, those little suckers are going to be in there pretty deep, but that's what you can do for now. So I got 2 over there, 1 in the middle, this one right there. There you go.